Welcome to the Learning Academy. Today we'll be doing a brief overview and a tutorial of Google Advanced Search. So this is a customized search application with operators that are provided by Google. This enhances our search and makes it customized and prevents Google from searching the entire internet based on the options that we have provided in the Google Advanced Search tool. This is what you do. First, you type Google Advanced Search. And then basically you could choose to scroll and look to see what your options are. But then I would advise that you pick this option first. It will take you to this page. Here you will type what it is that you would like to search for. For me, I want to search for goats. Right, I could choose a language, so I would choose Arabic, and then I'll choose a region, Algeria, and then I may choose that I want it in Microsoft Word, and then I'm going to choose my usage rights, free to use or share even commercially. Then I'm going to select Advanced Search. Unfortunately, that search did not bring me any results, so I will choose to select Reset Search Tools. See, now this brings me to this page. See, there are many goats on the page. Now I'm going to try again once more with some other options. Let me change my region and to America Samoa, and I will choose a different option. Let me choose volcanoes, and then let me leave the other options as are, and then let me look to see what my results are. Now these are my results. I've gotten tornadoes, I've gotten stratovolcanoes, drought, you have the Nova Killer volcanoes. These are all the search options that I've been given. Right now I want to look at images as well. These are the images that have been provided based on that search, and as you can see, it is search that is related to the area that I have chosen or the subject matter that I want to look at. Now let's go back, because I know that many persons are into content management and they like to search for images. Now when you're searching for images, it is very important for you to pay attention to usage rights, because you don't want to be in breach of copyright, right? So you have free to use or share. You have free to use or share even commercially. You have free to use, share, or modify. You have free to use, share, or modify, or even commercially. Now I recommend the last option on the usage rights, because it is very important for persons who are commercially involved in digital content to ensure that they are abiding by copyright rules. It is also very important for you to remember that even with images, copyrights are attached. So we're going to keep our search to disasters this time, and then we are going to move over, ensure that our usage rights is on that. We're going to select Advanced Search. We have this information that we have gotten on this page, but what is it that we're looking for? We want images. So we're going to select the Images tab, and then we are going to look at what it is that has been provided. You will see, even though it mentions that images may be subject to copyright, if you were to delve further and check the site, you will see the necessary rights that have been assigned and how you can use this picture. Then you will also find many other pictures that are free to use, like this one. There are also other pictures you will see, like PX Fuel. These are free to use. It will tell you that. Then you can continue to scroll down. There are many other pictures. Now these that the search has provided means that you can actually use them and modify them for commercial use. And you will see at the top right here, labeled for reuse and modification. That's what it normally says. So that is just a synopsis of Google search, and you have other options. You will see it gives you videos as well. You can scroll down through that. It also gives you news, another option under Google search. So this is all related to disasters. There's also Google Maps, which will also give you information. And then let's go back and come out of Google Maps. Then you have books as well. That's another search option in Google search, right? So you put in your term and then you would select, instead of images or all, you would select books. Now Google has many options. See, there is even other additional search options in regards to how you view it, in regards to the type of document that you would like to see. Whether you want to see newspapers, look at that. That's just beautiful and just very efficient. And you can look at time as well, and then you can choose how you want to sort the information, how it is presented along the line. Now this is very, 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 very helpful for persons who are doing research or persons who are just doing digital content management. Now I really want to encourage you to explore this digital platform, Google search, and its tools, and let me know how everything goes and how it helps you to do your research and to do your digital content management. Now remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This has been the Learning Academy, and let me know if you need me to do a review of this session, and let me know any other topic that you would like for me.